What is poetry? Poetry is looking down both swords that tie words in a narrow wood. Words wait to be born in the shadows of the lamp of poetry. Poems are emails from the unknown beyond cyberspace. Poems, like moths, press against the window, trying to reach the light. Poetry is white writing on black, black writing on white. It is a clear piano in an abandoned seaside casino, still playing. Poetry is what we cry out upon coming to ourselves in a dark world in the middle of the journey of our life. Poetry is news from the growing edge and the far frontiers of consciousness. Poetry is a mute melody in the heart of every dumb animal. It is a light at the end of the tunnel and the darkness within it. It is a morning dove, morning night. It is a morning dove, morning love, and nothing arises out like the cry of the heart. Every bird a word, every word a bird, and bird song is not made by machines. It is all the birds, the universe, flocking together for a congress of birds and singing singly. Every poem is an exaggeration, underestimated. A poem is a phosphorescent instant illuminating time, a moment of absolute spirit. Poetry is more than painting sunlight on the wall of a house. It is here echoing with all the blood of the world. It is the primary conduct of emotion. If it don't conduct, it ain't poetry. It is a lamp of imagination, lighting up every darkness. It is a bright vision made dark, a darkling vision made bright. It is the trees in spring in a back garden on Martin Street. It is what the late November saying about the disturbance of spring. Found the shadows on the wall of Plato's cave, gleams were fleeting.